Yes, look at my gungo tree, aka pigeon peas. In Spanish it's called gandules. What a beauty. And over here is the sorrel patch. Beautiful chocho tree, aka chayote. Soursop tree looking good. Mango tree looking great. Look at the jackfruit tree. Yes, I changed the pot out on the jackfruit tree. Pear tree, aka avocado. This was grown from seed. And this was grown from seed. This is the East Indian. Looking good. It blossomed this year, didn't get anything. But it's always next year.
Like, comment, and subscribe to AG Born Jamaican.
Hey guys, remember, like, comment, and subscribe to AG Born Jamaican on YouTube.